Hey YouTube, welcome to the channel. Today my buddy Brandon is going to help me fix a boo-boo that I made at Jeep Fest 2023, working on the ZJ today. The cross member caught an obstacle and bent back and damaged the frame a little bit, or the frame rail on the unibody for the ZJ. So today we're going to fix it. So I got Brandon here working. He's getting these bolts removed. And as you can see, that cross member is a little bit bent. So we're going to take it off, try and get it straightened, and patch up the frame, and it should be good as new, hopefully. Alright everybody, so here's a better look at this cross member. As you can see, she got bent pretty good. So Brandon's going to try and use his press and bottle jack here, see if we can't straighten her out. Okay, so step one is we have to straighten out the bent cross member. So we're using Brandon's homemade press here to straighten. They win.
Okay.
Is that good?
You're gonna go past a little.
Because it'll spring back.
Yep, right there. So it's good. It's
Yeah.
the same thing again. We'll just
Yeah,
straighten
just
it
flatten
out
it up.
and then we'll flatten that out. It's pretty close. We could have maybe gone a little more on this one, but it's.
Yeah, I think that's pretty good. Folks, as you can tell, Brandon's a little bit of a perfectionist. Alright everybody, so we've got the cross member straightened out, and now we're going to be looking at the frame on the Jeep. If Brandon looks somewhat familiar, we actually did the long arm kit on his WJ, which is sitting right there. And it is currently out of commission because Brandon decided to hit Bambi with it. So
Bambi didn't make it.
And it needs a little bit of TLC before we can get back on the trail. So I think what we're going to do is look at the frame. Probably going to paint the cross member to make it all pretty, and we'll get you some video of that. All right, guys. So hopefully you can see that. Better illustration of the damage done. So it basically looks like there's some rust under there, and it just ripped open the bottom of this frame. Now this is a unibody chassis, so that means that this is all just sheet metal that's been molded and folded and spot welded together. So it's not the strongest thing in the world, but I will be completely honest, I definitely sent her a little too hard. So as you can see there, got a nice big dent from that Jersey barrier that I hit too. So yeah, I guess if you're willing to play hard, you got to be willing to fix them too. So but yeah, we're gonna get this all cleaned up. The idea Brandon's got is we're gonna plate it on this side and then probably wrap it up, mimicking what the factory has right in here. So we will get to working on that and let you guys know how it goes. Alright guys, so I'm going to try some welding here. And probably screw it up and have Brandon have to fix it, but we'll give the old college try. So. Okay, one more.
Yeah, do 4 corners. On the inside. Yeah, do that. Over to my little sander thing.
Yeah.
Sand them down and run your bolt in there to make sure.
Just make sure it goes on there?
Yeah, because that inside tack might be in the way.
Okay.
So I got the die grinder out there. Just die grind it a little bit.
Okay, sounds good.
Bolt clear. Oh, good deal.
Yay, I did it. Alright everybody, so Brandon's got this cleaned up here. What I wanted to show you is right in there. That's where the frame is cracked. So what he's going to do is going to put plate on this, and it's going to wrap up on the side, and he's got all of his measurements on there. And if you can hear that in the background, it's him drilling holes for the bolt holes there. And going to get that and weld it up. This side is definitely the worst of the two. I think mainly the reason behind that is that Jeep has the AC drain into this frame rail, so it collects a lot more dirt, rust, all that fun stuff. But got it cleaned up pretty nice, and we should be able to burn that in, get it painted, and then put the cross member back on, and be good to go. Alright everybody, so there is the repaired cross member all painted up. Robbie Layton would be proud. But cross member bolts lined up pretty well. The skid plate needed a little bit of persuasion, but it did take a brunt of the impact, and where it's pretty thin sheet metal, it likes to move around a little bit. So this concludes the bottom part. All right guys, so we are done. It took about what, say 5-6 hours work to get it done, but huge shout out to Brandon for helping me out. Couldn't have done without him.
You're welcome.
Awesome dude.
My pleasure.
Yeah, so that's gonna wrap it up for this one. Hope you enjoyed the video. Wasn't really too bad. It went a lot better than I thought it would.
Yeah, for sure.
The
little farm-made press worked a lot tremendously well.
yeah. So anyway, appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe. Take care easy.